Hello everyone, my name is Nishat and welcome back to our channel. NEET 2025 is finally over. चाहे जो भी हुआ है, जैसा भी पेपर आया हो, it is at least over. After years and months of preparation, stress and sleepless nights, it's finally over. So now, today in this video, I will walk you through exactly what happens after NEET, your options, timeline and what you should do. So first, let's start with what's next in NEET 2025 timeline. First is your NEET आंसर की रिलीज. वेरियस कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट्स अपना खुद का आंसर की नीट एग्जाम की रात ही रिलीज कर देता है एंड द ऑफिशियल आंसर की फ्रॉम NTA यूजुअली 10 to 15 डेज के अंदर रिलीज हो जाता है. नेक्स्ट इज रिजल्ट डिक्लेरेशन जो लाइकली आफ्टर 1 मंथ और मिड जून तक हो जाएगा. आफ्टर दैट इज़ योर काउंसलिंग रजिस्ट्रेशन जो जुलाई तक हो जाएगा. दैट इज़ फॉर ऑल इंडिया कोटा एंड स्टेट कोटा. सो वंस व्हेन द ऑफिशियल आंसर की इज रिलीज आप अपना एक्सपेक्टेड स्कोर चेक कर लेना एंड बेस्ड ऑन योर एक्सपेक्टेड स्कोर वी कैन ब्रेक इट डाउन इनटू 3 categories. If you are scoring above 550 or 600 depending on your state, a strong chance is there आप इतने मार्क्स में एक गवर्नमेंट MBBS सीट सिक्योर कर लोगे. If you are scoring somewhere between 350 to 550, it might be a little difficult for you to get a government MBBS seat. Considering you are a general category student, आपको आयुर्वेदिक, डेंटल या फिर होम्योपैथिक जैसे कोर्सेज में एडमिशन मिल जाएंगे. Or else you can also offer semi-government or private MBBS colleges in India. Another option for you will be MBBS abroad from countries like Uzbekistan, Russia under affordable fees. If you are scoring below 300 or you just qualified the exam, then please do not panic because we have got a plan for you too. MBBS abroad आपके लिए एक बेस्ट ऑप्शन हो सकता है if you do not want to take a drop and आप MBBS करना चाहते हो एक बजट फ्रेंडली ऑप्शन में. Or else you can consider a NEET drop year only and only if you are 100% sure of better performance and preparation and dedication. So now let's talk about MBBS abroad. ये अब कोई सीक्रेट नहीं रहा. Thousands and thousands of Indian students are opting for MBBS abroad every year. But why? Because of lower fees, quality education and global exposure and high FMG success rate. But again, अगर आप MBBS abroad का सोच रहे हो, then it is very important for you to choose the right country and right university. And that's where counseling from trusted consultancies like ours becomes crucial. Calculate your expected NEET score, shortlist your possible government or private MBBS colleges, research MBBS abroad opportunities, start preparing your documents and attend free webinars or seminars to clarify your doubts. This is a defining time in your life and you don't have to go through this alone. Our team at Rare Education is here to guide you step by step through MBBS abroad admissions. If you are confused or need help figuring out your next move, do contact us today for free counseling. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel.